we've been learning about goal setting.
So we're trying to learn about X to Y. So X to Y is X is the beginning and Y is the end.
Ms. Drey had shoulder surgery, so she couldn't move her arm. We set a goal for Ms. Drey to help her shoulder to get stronger. Here's Ms. Drey's goal. We put a sticker up every time Ms. Drey does her exercises for her shoulder 2 times a day. And then we see how high our arm goes. Sometimes Miss Drey's arm can't go that high because her arm is sometimes sore and not really sore. And sometimes she's working hard, so it's okay. It's just like our real. Someday we're better than others. That's okay. We track Miss Drey's measures. She gets a sticker when she does her exercise. Now let's see her arm get highs. Go Miss Drey! 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 Look, she got higher. We